Cold calling is still one of the best ways of lead generation, even in today's age of digital marketing. In this process, when a prospect shows some interest, they ask you to explain your offerings so that they can take a call on whether to proceed further for personal meetings, involve other stakeholders in this or not, etc. Not being able to make a stellar first impression can really decrease the output of your cold calling process. If you want to be the hero of lead generation, you've got to establish trust and confidence in the excellence of what you're offering right on the call. Sears Incorporated is a leading consultancy firm for cloud and analytics-based business transformation. They have cracked these two by introducing vCalling in their lead generation. Now, they are able to showcase various customer testimonial videos super smoothly and in high resolution right on the call. This not only makes a strong first impression, but also infuses confidence, so that the prospect will be sure to give them a personal meeting. Plus, presenting other such explainer videos on the call makes their process consistent for covering all of their USPs with all of their prospects' calls. This is way better than emailing all the marketing materials and simply hoping that prospects will go through everything and not miss any of your USPs. Have a look at how traditional screen sharing performs in video showcases even in high bandwidths. Now, have a look at how vCalling just nails it, even at low bandwidths. But seeing is believing. Visit vCalling.com to book a demo and get a personalized consulting on how you can use vCalling in your business to make an awesome first impression every time.